What's up guys, it's Hyer. One of the questions that we get asked all the time is what is the difference between paint protection films and ceramic coatings? There are some similarities like the UV protection, keeping your car newer for longer, which increases your resale value, having a sacrificial barrier against the elements, as well as ease of maintenance. But there are some important differences between ceramic coating and PPF. So the primary paint protection film benefits are going to offer resistance against rock chips, deep scratches, hard water staining, and road debris damage. And then our favorite benefit is the self-healing effect. One of the coolest things about ceramic coatings is there are formulations for all of the surfaces of the vehicle from the exterior to the interior. Your main benefits are going to be the hydrophobic effect, which make the vehicle super easy to clean, stay cleaner for longer. It's also going to add unsurpassed gloss and depth to the finish. And then our favorite benefit is going to be no more waxing, no more buffing, super easy maintenance. So if you're looking to keep your new car new for as long as possible, our recommendation is a combination between these two products. This is going to be the secret to the automotive fountain of youth. If you want to learn more about these products, you can give us a call at Hyer Quality Detail or check out our website at hyerqualitydetail.com.